In this video, we're going to talk about how to use MailerLite to create lead capture pages that are automatically connected to your MailerLite email management. So first off, I've logged into MailerLite. It takes me to the dashboard, and you'll see I have a number of options across here. Lead capture pages are actually under Forms. So we click on Forms, and you see it gives us an option of pop-ups, landing pages, or embedded forms. And when we click on the Create section, once again, we have a solution for create a landing page, create a pop-up, or to create an embedded form. So in this case, we're going to choose create a landing page, click here, and we give our landing page a name. So I'm just going to call this one test 1 for now, but of course you would give it a name that would make sense, and go save and continue. Now at this point, you're going to choose which group, which subscriber group are people who filled this form going to go into. And you can see I have a number of different ones here. So if this is going to be for a new group, you'd want to at this point create add new group. So I'm just going to call this test 1 again, but in your case you would do this for a new group that you wanted. Or you could have it go to one of the existing groups if you preferred, if this is going to be a new form for an existing group. Okay, I've got the test 1 there. I'm going to choose that. I'm going to go save and continue. And you'll see it gives you some template choices here for ebook, e-course, invite, pre-launch, webinar, coming soon, lead generation, product, free PDF, and book promote. Remember that you can actually use these for other things. For example, if you wanted to use the lead generation for a webinar one, you could. Just sit there preset with some things. So for example, if you click on the preview, you can see what they look like here. The ebook preview is pretty much set up for people to get a quick download or something. If we go to the e-course, you know, it's a little bit more set up to be actual for a course subscription. If we go through just a standard invite, this is to invite people to something. And this is for a pre-launch if you want people to pre-register for something. This is for a webinar, and you see it gives you like a nice calendar and a date, so you can see the time it's going to happen, about the hosts, save your spot, gives you a countdown timer. Coming soon, this is again kind of a pre-launch if you're going to be telling people when it's going to be coming up. This is a standard lead generation form where people click, you know, sign up for something, you tell them the benefits. Product, it's going to register for something, again a free trial. Free PDF if they want to download a free PDF. And this is like a, you know, for a book promotion or something like that. So that's all the different ones that you have there. And you know, so choose the one that's closest to what you're looking for, and then you can start making changes to it. So for example, in this case, I'm going to choose, for example, the ebook one. I'm going to click on select. And you'll see that it gives me the template here. Now, when you click on anything, over here comes a content area. So in the header, you can change. You see the logo is there. You can edit or change that image. You'll see that where it says today's deals, special offers, and contacts, you can change any of those right here, and you can put the link in where those are going to, or you can delete them entirely. Down here, if we click in this section, and we're going to be editing in here. You'll see that once again it gives you the image to edit here, the text here. So if you want to change any of that text, you change it there, change your title here, change what's on the button. So you can see it's pretty easy to change all this. You can also add additional fields, change the fields if you want something more than name and email. And then it gives you some settings here where you can change margins, change some display options, change the background, change the images. So overall, you've got a lot of things you can fix and change, and that works for any of these. So if we click here and we want to edit this person, Samantha Jones, you see that you can edit that one. If we want to edit Bernard, like the testimonials. So in each case, it's really easy to edit it. And so once you're done, you just click save. And you can add additional blocks as well, date, countdown, video, pop, all these different things can be added as well. And again, in the design, you can make changes like fonts and things like that. When you're done editing, you click on, or actually as well, you can have a success page that you take people to when they're done, so that you can make sure that they actually get the item they're supposed to get. When you're done, you click on Done Editing. It'll take a moment to load. And you'll see that it gives you the subscribe page here. And so that would be the link to the new page that you're going to have. You can give it some SEO settings if you want, but basically this will be the page here. So if we go subscribepage.com, and then we put in the last digits that were there, you'll see that our subscribe page is up there, live, ready to go. I can also point a domain name to it if I want as well. So that's, in a nutshell, how to set up a lead capture page using MailerLite. Very easy to use, as you can see. So a great way to get started.